guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn with Akanksha. I am Mrs. Akanksha and today I'm going to tell you something about International Thalassemia Day. So let's begin. The International Thalassemia Day, celebrated on May 8 every year, is a commemoration day in honor of all patients with thalassemia and their wards who never gave up despite all odds. This day is a further nod to the researchers who are striving to create an improved quality of life for people with thalassemia across the world. Now I would like to tell you what is thalassemia. Notably, thalassemia is an autosomal recessive blood disorder which gets inherited from parents to the children through genes. It is blood disorder causes weakening and destruction of the red blood cells, affects the formation of hemoglobin in the body and causes mild or severe anemia. As of 2013, thalassemia occurs in about 280 million people, with about 439,000 having severe disease. It is the most common among people of the Italian, Greek, Middle Eastern, South Asian and African descent. Now I would like to tell you the objectives of World Thalassemia Day. Number 1 is raising awareness on thalassemia, its symptoms and ways to live with it. Number 2 is raising awareness on the importance of consulting a doctor before marriage if a person has thalassemia. Number 3 is raising awareness on the importance of vaccinations for children's health, society and the whole world. And number 4 is redressing misconceptions about vaccinations. Now I would like to tell you how World Thalassemia Day is celebrated. Several activities and events are organized in the public places like schools, colleges, educational institutions to aware people about the disease, its symptoms and preventive measures. Also, patients and their family members are encouraged to participate in the event to gain knowledge about the disease. Let us tell you that the Thalassemia International Federation (TIF) is a non-profit and non-governmental patient-driven organization which actively involves in organizing the celebration of the event with the associated members in several countries. Not only this, even World Health Organization and other health bodies focus on the basic rights of the patients suffering from the thalassemia disease. Now, what is West? Now I would like to tell you the symptoms of thalassemia disease. Do you know that until the age of 6 months symptoms does not occur in month of the infant suffering with beta thalassemia and some types of alpha thalassemia, because it is said that neonates have a different types of hemoglobin known as fetal hemoglobin, and after 6 months normal hemoglobin starts replacing the fetal type and symptoms may begin to appear like drowsiness and fatigue, chest pain, softness of breath, delayed growth, headaches, jaundice and pale skin, dizziness and faintness, greater susceptibility to infections, etc. Now, I would like to tell you what is World Thalassemia Federation. It is a non-profit and non-governmental organization consisting of 108 members associated from all over the world in almost 55 countries and officially related to WHO and other major health-related agencies since 1996. Do you know, this organization is responsible for improving the quality of life, health and the life expectancy of the thalassemia patients and the patients with other inherited congenital hemoglobin disorders. So we can say that thalassemia is an inherited disease and World Thalassemia Day is celebrated on 8th May to increase awareness among the common people about this disease, its symptoms and preventive measures. So that's all for today. I hope you have liked this video on World Thalassemia Day. If you have liked, please give like, share and subscribe to my channel. Up till then, bye bye and take care. Bye.